Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So we start off today's bob transformation video with this beautiful curly bob. She ended up getting gorgeous highlights mixed in. Her curls look so fresh and trendy. Love the overall shape of this bob haircut. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and this channel is all about hairstyle ideas. Today's video is going to feature some fresh looks at bob haircuts. We're going to be seeing some angled bobs, colored bobs, and everything in between. So if you are thinking of getting a bob haircut, this video is for you. Loving this angled bob. This one features gorgeous turquoise colored money piece highlights in the front. Love how it looks mixed in with the black hair. Absolutely gorgeous style. And then we do see someone getting ready to cut their own hair, and she decides to go to the salon instead. Love this classic chic neck length style bob. So if you do feel inspired by any of these bob haircut ideas, please be sure to like today's video, and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here is another look at a gorgeous lob haircut. This one features beautiful, well-blended highlights mixed in. And then we do see another hair transformation. So she also ended up getting a lob and some color. Absolutely gorgeous. That color really brightened up her complexion, made her skin pop. Such a great change from that dark hair that she had before. So the next couple of bob haircuts are going to be perfect for the older women. So if you have thinner hair, these are going to be some great options. Here we have someone with another lob. She did get some fresh color with this one as well. And then this next bob haircut is also going to feature some color and some hair cutting. So if you are thinking of getting a bob, leave in the comments below what style are you thinking of getting. Are you going to go with a lob, the angled bob? Are you going to be getting some color? Oh, love the messy texture that the stylist created with this particular bob. Really added a lot of volume to the style. Gorgeous. So then we do see another bob hair transformation. So she is going to be dyeing her hair this bold pink. Now this is a really fun, playful color to try. I absolutely love how pink looks blended in with blonde. I think it's just the perfect combination. So she did end up getting some nice fringe bangs in the front as well. Beautiful bob haircut. Alright you guys, so if you have felt inspired by any of these hairstyles seen in today's video, please be sure to give it a like, and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends.